psychedelic mad ill bug type of rhetoric, slang speak, double freak, undercover limerick, never been the has-been, pocket full of loot, yeah. Pants on the set, but never known to wear a suit. Keep a low pro, galactic for the safe. Help them on and body, slim and slender at the waist. Smooth talk, never hawk, love to kick the hard rock. Bad boy, baby, on the mic and just flexing. Gone with your bad self, that's what they're telling me. Blessed with the spirit of my father through heredity. As the wind blows, the buildings tumble. Grabbing on my jeans, stand strong and humble. I'm just a voodoo child with words in my brain. I open up my soul and let them trickle like the rain. I came from the cosmos, now I'm on the third stone. Using old jazz for the relics and no. Kicking this lovely, the psychedelic child. Family from the islands, but descended from the Nile. Skills to the left, styles to the right. Born in 73, and then my mind took flight. Something like an acid trip, but I'm pretty sober. Step to the kid and fall off the cliffs of Dover. Struggle back and get your feet on course. Guided by the sounds from a positive source. Experience a groove as it penetrates your eardrum. Bumping in your system with the whoop of kicking fiercer. Peaceful in the way, but a temper like a tantrum. Not to be conceited, but the women call me handsome. Lounging in the milk bars, how I get over. I'll get sharpened up with the sip of Corova. Admitted that the style is something that you never heard before. I'm the psychedelic child born to get buck wild. Point sword, yeah. Sweet paper plus a mic and a chord. Gold is never warm, feet smooth. I got no corns. I keep a stride and step with vocal pep and with skills I was born. I'm not too tall, but I tend to be exact. Dig the heartbeats, make a love to attract. Million from the sound, a toddler full of talent, a race full of rhythm. Got the gift and so I ran it. I run it up and down the line and through the BU meter. The quick and clever tipping, I'm diving, it's coming neater. A hip hop bohemian, a renaissance of rhythm. A tangerine looking to the middle of a prism. A daydream dialogue, mushroom meandering. Flim flam on the path, funky and philandering. Used to have dreads, but they broke like Beach Street. Now it's solid season and I'm nodding to the big beat. It's almost like Mardi Gras when I'm in the booth. A young beat poet with the will to get loose. Inspired by Leary, right now I'm getting weary. I'm out like Todd Bridges and rolling like Proud Mary.
Monday, 11:37 a.m. Yesterday, caught a ride here, got 3/4 of a mile from here yesterday. Today they took me right to the spot, man. Got me all about it. He said, yeah, I was there yesterday, man. So now I'm tearing it up, man. He's riding good, man. Hawk's riding good. Yeah, let's have it, Mom. Hang in there, we'll be on soon. Hold the foot down. Keep the damn raccoon out of my truck, please.